Welcome to the channel. This is Skylander and this is my guide for the forest. It's still private. You can see that it's hidden. This happens when you create a guide, okay, in Steam. It's not going to show to the public until you publish, so only after publishing it's going to be seen by others. You have the content over here, which you can modify by going to guide contents. So you can add a section over here. You can also change the position here, the order of the contents. Here is where you edit. I'm going to show this in a bit. The images for your guide. You can also use screenshots or videos or add contributors. So here goes. I'm going to create edit section. This is the place where you create a guide or format. You have a lot of formatting tips in here to your text. You can also preview as you write, and everything that was changed after save, okay, or removed, you can see here into colors in case you have contributors that if they've removed something or added, you can check over here. Right, to add an image, do not drag and drop. You're going to have an error. Okay, this is not the correct way. You have actually to click on the image and then insert. The same thing for video. Alright, now you can also edit the section by going to your preview and clicking here on edit. There you go, you go to the same page. When you go to the community hub and you create a guide, you're going to see this first page over here, which is the title, the thumbnail, the branding image, the description, the subject and the language, and another agreement that you actually are the original creator of the guide. So let's check this out. I'm going to a community here, line, go to the top menu to guides, then create a guide, and here we are, the same page. So this is what you have, and you have here rights and ownership. Okay, this is what you have to agree with. Once you click in here, you go to the guide contents that I just showed it, and you can preview your guide, etc. Right, so this is it. It's super easy to create a guide. I hope you like it. Thanks for watching and see ya.